everybody, this is Miss Emily from the Cranston Public Library, and I'm here to show you what's inside the Mythology Kit. This kit is very fat, mostly because it has 2 containers of Play-Doh in it, and also a marble, along with a lot of other stuff. There's the other one. 1, 2. Marshmallows. And that's everything except, of course, for our instructions and other paperwork. So, let's get this out of the way for now. Activity 1 is stage a play. So, this is going to be shadow puppetry. That's the kind of play that you are going to stage. And that's why you have a flashlight. And also, this little holder that you can use to prop up your flashlight and point it at a wall. And then you have some examples of shapes you could cut out to make cool shadow puppets. You can also design your own, attach them to the skewers, and hold them in front of your flashlight, and they will cast shadows on the wall opposite. And you can tell your own story, or you can look up some mythology and retell a myth. So that's number 1. Number 2, make a constellation. That's what the marshmallows are for. Don't eat them. They're for constellation making. But you can open the bag and inhale the sugar. It smells like ice cream and was sure to energize you. So you have in your kit a pretty cool sky map, which tells you which constellations you can see in the night sky this time of year. And also it's your job to pick one of these tiny constellations and make a much bigger version. On your black paper, you might want to draw some things out ahead of time, but your marshmallows, place them where the stars go, and then connect them with the toothpicks that are also in here. You may have to break some of the toothpicks in half to get it to work. And then you have a beautiful and not edible constellation, plus probably some marshmallows and toothpicks left over to build some other interesting structures. Now, activity number 3, build a labyrinth. Labyrinth is a word for a maze. There's a famous labyrinth in mythology where the Minotaur, a terrible monster, hid. There is no Minotaur inside of this example maze that you have, but there is a tiny metal ball. You can hear it. I gotta find it. And you tip this around. This is interesting because it's actually double-sided. So the ball can be on either side or even in one of the sides of, oh, there it is. It's in the side. And so you tip this around. Come on. I'm trying to get it back to the top so you can see. Maybe you can see. It keeps disappearing. Anyway, you can try to get it into the middle or try to get it to escape to the other side. But your job is to make your own. This is just an example, although it can keep you busy for a long time if, like me, you have trouble with it. So you need one thing that's not actually inside your kit, and which I forgot, so I have to go get. Okay, I got it. So this tray that came with your kit but didn't fit inside, this is what you will build your labyrinth on. And you will use the Play-Doh that you got. I don't know why I'm opening this. You know what Play-Doh looks like, right? But now I'm committed, so there it is. You're going to use that to build up little walls on the surface of your tray, and then you have a marble, and you can tip the tray to try to get your marble from your start to your finish. So like a giant version of this maze puzzle. So those are your tasks for this week. Good luck on your mission. I hope you enjoy the Mythology Kit. And remember, there's only one more after this. So remember to pick it up. And I'll see you next time.